In this tutorial, we will show you how to hide your location on Instagram, ensuring your privacy and security while using the platform. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Start by navigating to your device settings, where you can access various settings to customize your experience. Step 2. Locate the location option within your device settings and tap on it to access the location settings. Step 3. Once in the location settings, tap on App Permissions to manage which apps have access to your device's location. Step 4. Scroll through the list of apps with location permissions and find Instagram. Select the Instagram app to adjust its location access settings. Step 5. Within the Instagram app settings, you will find the option to toggle location access. Choose Don't Allow to prevent Instagram from accessing your device's location. By following these simple steps, you can effectively hide your location on Instagram, giving you more control over your privacy settings and the information shared on the platform. It's essential to regularly review and manage app permissions on your device to protect your privacy and security while using social media platforms like Instagram. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides on enhancing your online privacy and security.